Hey signers! This video is a perfect first step in your ASL journey.
Is that so?
And why is that?
It's time to learn the ASL alphabet. And while you're at it, sign up for our 10-day ASL Jumpstart newsletter, where I give you tools and resources to grow your ASL skills in just 10 days. And thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Now, let's learn how to sign the alphabet. A. Be sure your thumb is at the side, not in front. A. B. Your thumb is in front to make the shape of the B. B. C. You're making the shape of the letter C. C. D. When you're looking at it, it looks like a lowercase d. D. E. Make sure your fingers are resting right on top of your thumb. E. F. You have 3 fingers up and your index and your thumb are making a small circle. F. G. Your index finger and thumb are pointed straight out. G. H. You've got your 2 fingers going straight out. H. I. This looks like the lowercase I, just with your pinky. I. J. You're making the shape of a letter J. J. K. Put your 2 fingers together, split them apart, and put your thumb in between. K. L. It's just like the shape of a capital letter L. L. M. Think of the cursive letter M with 3 humps. M. N. I like to think of these 2 fingers representing the 2 bumps in the cursive letter N. N. O. It looks like the letter O. O. P. It's like the letter K, but it's upside down. P. Q. It's the letter G, but upside down. Q. R. Your fingers are twisted together. R. S. Make sure your thumb is in the very front for S. S. T. Your thumb is in between your index and your middle finger. T. U. Your 2 fingers are squeezed together. U. V. It looks like a V. V. W. It looks like a W. W. X. I like to think Captain Hook and X marks the spot. X. Y. Your pinky and your thumb are sticking out to make the letter Y. Y. Z. Think of swishing it like Zorro. Z. Now that you're learning your ABCs, you're probably realizing there's still a lot you need to learn about ASL. Well, our sponsor for today's video, Skillshare, hosts tons of ASL content. Not only can you find courses from us, but also other excellent ASL teachers. These courses range from the most basic concepts of ASL to comprehensive curriculums that are sure to take your signing skills to the next level. So what is Skillshare? Skillshare is an online learning platform that offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people on various topics such as fine arts, design, photography, crafts, and of course, sign language. The first 1,000 people to use the link in the description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. We can't wait to see your signing skills grow, so click down below and sign up for your 1-month free membership on Skillshare right now. Now, it's time for a quick review. Sign it along with me. Now that you learned the ABCs, let's take a quiz. What I am going to do is fingerspell a short word using the alphabet that you just learned. Read the word out, write it down, and then after, you can check and see how you did. Okay, now let's check your answers. Number 1, hi. Number 2, go. Number 3, pin. Number 4, cat. And number 5, bye. Way to go! Now don't stop here. Go and check out several of our quiz videos where you can challenge yourself on receptive fingerspelling. Also, go sign up for our 10-day newsletter so we can support you. And again, thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.